Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 3, How Many Squares? Question number 4. Find and write the area of the shapes given below. Here 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. We have to find and write down the area of the shapes which are given in this question. Sum number 1, here a shape is given, we have to find its area. So to find out its area, as I explained you earlier in my introductory video, we have to count how many whole squares, more than half squares and less than half squares are given in the shape. So first we will put a tick mark on the whole squares. Now you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whole squares. Now the shape doesn't have any more than half squares. So we will put a cross on half squares. This is a half square. This one is also half square. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 half squares. Now we will calculate the area of the shape. Now area of whole square, as we have counted, there were 6 whole squares. 1 whole square means 1. So we will multiply 6 by 1. So we will get 6 centimeter square. Area of half square, there were 4 half squares. So we will multiply 4 by half. First we will multiply 4 and 1. 4 ones are 4. Then dividing that 4 by 2, we get 2 centimeter square. So the area of half square is 2 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the total area. Total area is 6 plus 2, that is 8 centimeter square. So now the area of shape number 1 is 8 square centimeter. Now sum number 2. Here also we have to find out the area of the given shape. So first we will put a tick mark on the whole squares. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 whole squares. Here also the shape doesn't contain any more than half squares. So now we will put a cross on half squares. So now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 half squares. Now again we have to calculate the area of the shape. Now first we will write area of whole squares. As we have counted earlier, there were 6 whole squares. We will multiply 6 by 1. We will get 6 centimeter square. Area of half squares. There were 4 half squares. We will again multiply 4 by half. We will get 2 centimeter square. Now to find out the total area, we have to add whole squares and half squares. There were 6 whole squares and 2 half squares. By adding 6 and 2, we get 8 centimeter square. So the area of this shape is also 8 square centimeter. Now sum number 4 of question number 4. Here also a shape is given. We have to find out the area of the shape. Again we will put a tick mark on the whole squares. So now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 whole squares. This one is more than half, so we'll put a cross in this. And there are 2 half squares. We will put a dot here. So there are 2 half squares. As you can see in this figure, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole squares, 1 more than half square and 2 half square. Now we have to calculate the area of the shape. The first area of whole square is, as we have counted earlier, there were 5 whole square. We will multiply 5 by 1. We will get 5 centimeter square. And area of more than half square, there was 1 more than half square. So we will multiply 1 by 1. As I have explained you earlier, we will count more than half square as whole square. So by multiplying 1 by 1, we get 1 centimeter square. Area of half square, there were 2 half squares. So by multiplying 2 by half, we get 1 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the total area. To find out the total area, we have to add whole squares, more than half squares and half squares. So by adding 5 plus 1, we get 7 centimeter square. So the area of sum number 4 is 7 square centimeter. Students, try to solve the remaining sums by yourself. Question number 5 of chapter number 3, how many squares? Find and write the area of the stems given below. Here 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Now in this question we have to find out the area of the stems given in this picture. Stem number 1. To find out the area of the stems, first we have to count the number of squares. As it's mentioned here that 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares are given. So we will write here 6. So the length is 6 centimeter. And here 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3 centimeter. So the breadth of this stem is 3 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the area of stem number 1. Now as we have calculated that the length of the area of stem number 1 is 6 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. To find out the area of stem number 1, we have to take the formula of area, length into breadth. Here length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. By multiplying 6 and 3 we get 18 square centimeter. So the area of stem number 1 is 18 square centimeter. So the area of stem number 1 is 18 square centimeter. Now stem number 2. Again we will count the squares. 1, 2, here the length is 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4 and breadth is 4 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the area of stem number 2. As we have seen that the length of stem number 2 is 2 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Now to find out the area of stem number 2, we have to multiply length by breadth. Length is 2 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. By multiplying 2 and 4 we get 8 square centimeter. So the area of stem number 2 is 8 square centimeter. Student, try to find out the area of the remaining stems by yourself. With this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.